Yo, what's up folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the craziest, baddest motorhomes to hit the streets in 2026, the Brabus Big Boy. And trust me, this ain't your grandma's RV. This beast is pure luxury on wheels, packed with style, tech, and performance that'll make you drool. So buckle up, grab a cold one, and let's roll through everything you need to know about this monstrous ride. First off, let's talk about the exterior, because damn Brabus didn't hold back. The Big Boy looks like it just rolled off a movie set. It's huge, but in a flex kinda way. You've got that matte black finish with sleek chrome accents that scream money and power. The front grille is aggressive as hell, with those LED headlights piercing through the night like a pair of laser beams. And the wheels? Oh man, those custom alloys give it a stance that says, don't even think about messing with me. Even the rear end is sculpted like a sports car, with quad exhausts tucked under, hinting at the monster hiding under the hood. This thing turns heads like a rock star walking into Coachella. Everyone stops and stares. Sliding inside, you get hit with pure opulence. Brabus really went all in with the interior. We're talking a cockpit straight outta a luxury jet. Plush leather seats, all adjustable with massage functions, and a dashboard loaded with touchscreens and digital displays. Everything's intuitive, high-tech, and screams futuristic vibes. It's got that cozy yet luxurious feel that makes you never want to get out. The living area is next level, with soft LED mood lighting, handcrafted wood panels, and a lounge that can host a mini party. You've got reclining seats, a massive flat-screen TV, and an entertainment system that would make your home theater jealous. Now, the kitchen area? Man, this is chef-level stuff. Full-sized appliances, induction cooktops, and a fridge that's big enough to store a small grocery store. Everything is sleek, stainless steel, and ready for some gourmet action on the go. And the bedroom. Don't even get me started. King-size bed, high-quality linens, and privacy blinds that make it feel like a penthouse suite rolling down the highway. The attention to detail is insane. Brabus didn't just make a motorhome, they made a mobile mansion. Performance-wise, this ride is a strut-up beast. Under the hood, you've got a turbocharged V8 pushing insane horsepower. We're talking numbers that make some supercars blush. Acceleration. Smooth as butter for a rig this size. Handling. Surprisingly tight thanks to advanced suspension tech and Brabus engineering that keeps this beast planted, even on tight curves. Whether you're cruising down the freeway or hitting a mountain pass, this thing is steady, powerful, and ridiculously fun to drive. And the best part? It's quiet. You get that big engine roar when you want it, but cruising around, nearly silent. Total stealth mode. Tech is where the Big Boy really shines. Smart controls for everything: climate, lights, multimedia, even the suspension settings, all manageable from a sleek touchscreen or your smartphone. Safety features: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, night vision, you name it. Brabus didn't skimp. They loaded this monster with everything to make sure you're comfy, entertained, and safe while rolling in style. And let's not forget about storage and practicality. Despite looking like a rolling palace, this thing is surprisingly practical. Tons of storage compartments, slide-outs that expand living space, and cleverly designed cabinets make it easy to pack for long trips without feeling cramped. It's the perfect balance of luxury and functionality. Like, you get all the perks, without any of the headaches you'd normally expect from a massive motorhome. Now, the million-dollar question: price. This ride ain't cheap, folks. We're talking a starting price north of 7 figures. Yeah, it'll cost you an arm, a leg, and maybe a small country. But let's be real, for the kind of tech, performance, and luxury you're getting, it's kinda worth it if money ain't an object. You're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a rolling experience that few on this planet will ever touch. Wrapping it up, the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome is a freaking masterpiece. It's bold, it's luxurious, it's powerful, and it's loaded with tech that'll make you feel like you've stepped into the future. It's not for everyone, but if you've got the cash and the appetite for the ultimate road trip experience, this is the king of the road. From jaw-dropping exterior styling to an interior that rivals high-end hotels, this thing is everything you could dream of and then some. Driving it is a statement. You're telling the world you don't just roll, you roll big. So, if you're in the market for a motorhome that blends insane performance, jaw-dropping design, and ridiculous luxury, the Brabus Big Boy is where it's at. And honestly, seeing it in person, it's even more insane than pics or vids could ever capture. Alright, my peeps. That's it for today's ride through the 2026 Brabus Big Boy Motorhome. If you dug this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of our epic reviews. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you cruise in this beast, or is it a little too much for your taste? Thanks for rolling with Saint Reviews Hub, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace out.